agricultural exploitation, predators, habitat destruction, etc. And the only large herbivores that the masquerades ever had were the large tortoises. And since the disappearance, the last tortoise died, was taken off Round Island in 1844. And since that, there hasn't been any species that has replaced its function. So the idea was proposed in the 1970s, late 70s, to actually use the Aldabra tortoises as an ecological replacement. And that was done on a small island called Ilosiguet, on a 27-hectare small island, to start with, to study it. And there have been very, very favorable results from that. And this has now expanded to the 219-hectare island called Round Island, where we currently have 250 or 260 odd tortoises roaming on the island. Put as babies, they're growing very, very well, and actually fulfilling the ecological functions that the endemic tortoises were fulfilling previously. And these functions are grazing, these functions are seed dispersal, which we are seeing a lot of, and also just reducing invasive plants. And we've seen that there are a number of plants which are adapted to tortoises. We know that there are a number of herbs that are part of the grazing community and which are now coming back with the tortoises. So it's a case of where we've also used the Madagascar radiated tortoise as another solution, but the Aldabra tortoises seem to be fulfilling a better role. But we've also looked at germination of plants, germination of fruits, of seeds from fruits that have been eaten and dispersed by tortoises, are germinating and surviving much better than plants that are actually planted or falling under the normal plant. So and we're also looking at invertebrates. There's no negative impact on invertebrates. So all around, it's positive by plugging back these analog tortoises.
Can I possibly just ask, is that written up anywhere?
Yes, there have been a number of articles, scientific publications that have been recently, this year, last year, year before, the original. I can give you the
Yes, thank you. I'd love that. Thank you.
There's even been a PhD.
Do we have any further questions? Well, do we? Any final comments you have? Well, let me just take this opportunity to. Then to recognize this really very significant thinking which is going on in species planning. We've moved within IUCN beyond action planning to a much more focused sort of planning which has got distinct outcomes, and those outcomes are distinctly related to funding opportunities and the pragmatics and reality of whether we can do it. There's the broad integration of conservation actions around species in the field and in captivity, and there is the integration of all sorts of different stakeholders. And then it moves in some of the green listing thinking into a situation where one is thinking about planning into different socioeconomic contexts. And thinking about how do you do planning in that. So huge advances. I'd just like to thank the panel for, including Carolyn, for a wonderful set of presentations. Thanks very much.